Namaste and good morning to all my dear children. This is your Brahmanand sir. Today I deal with continue part of my lesson, that is nutrition in plants. So I will quickly recall all the things what we have studied in previous video, that is about photosynthesis. See, first, what is photosynthesis? Name itself says that photo means light. Photo means light. And synthesis means to prepare. Synthesis means to prepare. Isn't it? Yes. Photo means light. Synthesis means to prepare. And we have also studied this equation. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the plants will prepare carbohydrates and they release oxygen. Yes, just recall all the things. The plants will inhale carbon dioxide with the help of nature or with the help of, that is, leaves, and in that with the help of stomata, isn't it? Carbon dioxide is inhaled by the plants through stomata, isn't it? Yes, through stomata, and leaves are like kitchen room. Leaves are like kitchen room. Then water is absorbed by the roots. Water is absorbed by the roots and it is transmitted to the leaves. Why? Because leaves is a kitchen room, like kitchen room or a food factory. See, the water is absorbed by the roots and it is transferred to the leaves with the help of what? That is water pipe. What is that? What is that? Water pipe. What is that water pipe? That is, we call other name, that is xylem. What is that? Xylem. With the help of xylem, water will transfer to the leaves. Okay. Then, in the presence of sunlight, see here, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment which is present in leaves, and we also call that is shaft. He is a shaft in the plant. Okay. With the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, they prepare what? Carbohydrate, that is glucose. Okay. And they release oxygen. And they release oxygen. What they release? Oxygen, that is O2. Okay. See here. That is in equation, balanced equation, that is CO2 is a carbon dioxide and 6% of carbon dioxide and 6% of water is combined in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. We will get glucose, that is C6H12O6. Also we can call it as a starch. Okay. Then we will get oxygen from plants. E photosynthesis we will get oxygen to breathe or to respire. Okay. Now come to the homework. What I have given that? That is, yes, without sun, isn't it? Without sun, is it? What is the effect on living organism? See here. If sun is absent, what will happen? See, first sun is absent, then they will not produce glucose, andre they will not produce or they will not prepare their own food prepare ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. First thing, that means food ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they can't grow, is it? They can't grow, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಗಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬೆಳೆಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Then without sunlight, and we will also not get oxygen. First, we will not get oxygen. Oxygen sigangilre sunlight irilla antandre we will not get oxygen. Why? Through plants only we are getting oxygen. Through plants only we are getting oxygen. That's why we will not get oxygen. Then second point, sir, if photosynthesis will not take place, okay, sunlight illa antandre photosynthesis will not take place, then they will not grow. What they will not grow? That is, plants will not grow. If they will not grow means we are depend on the plants for purpose of what? Food. Andre namagnu ಊಟ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ? Yes, we can't get food also, Without sunlight, what is the effect on living organisms? See, we will not get oxygen. Oxygen breathe ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ದೆನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಇನ್ನ ವಾಟರ್ ನ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we will not get food also. Food ನೂ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Then easily we can tell that day and night ನೂ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. ಮಕ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ ಎದ್ದವ್ರು ಎದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Yes, that is we will not get oxygen and food. And one more thing here is yes, we will not get water. How, sir? Because if sun is absent means water will frozen, ice agಲಿಕ್ಕೆ start ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಮझ में रहा? Yes, water will becomes ice. In a solid form ಅಲ್ಲಿ water ಆಗ್ತದೆ. At that time we can't drink it. Then water is also not there. These are the basic things. These are the basic things to live a organism. Without this, a organism or a living organism will be can't live. That's why without sun we can't live on the earth. समझ में रहा? Yes, that's why sun is very important for living organisms. Yes, okay. Now another point is that sir ಇವಾಗ leaves ಒಳಗ food prepare ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, don't be confused. आराम से listen. See, food prepare ಆಯ್ತು. What is that food? Glucose or carbohydrate. It is prepared in the leaves. Sir, ಬರೀ leaves ನಾಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೇನ್ರಿ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ parts ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೆಳಿತೇವ್ರಿ? Is it? समझ में रहा? That is, the food is stored in the leaves. The food is stored in the leaves. Then how the plant will grow? How the plant will grow? Can anyone? Yes, think of it. Then I will say here, ಈ ಎಲಿ ಒಳಗ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದಲ್ರಿ ಥ್ರೂ ಫುಡ್ ಪೈಪ್. ಥ್ರೂ ವಾಟ್? ಫುಡ್ ಪೈಪ್. ಥ್ರೂ ಫುಡ್ ಪೈಪ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಬಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋಯಮ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್? ಫ್ಲೋಯಮ್. समझ में आ रहा है? That is water pipe ಗೆ what we have called that xylem. Is it? That is xylem, water pipe. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ? ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ನ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. That is xylem. Food prepared in the leaf. Food prepared in the leaf is transferred to the all the parts of the plant. Is transferred to the all the parts of the plant. That is with the help of food pipe. That food pipe is called as phloem. That food pipe is called as phloem. Here it is. Yes. Now, one more question I have here is, then why human beings will not prepare their own food like plants? ಯಾಕ human being or animal, suppose an animal ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, is it why it is unable to prepare their own food like plants they will do? ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ರಿ? See here, I will explain you. That is, see here, carbon dioxide in atmosphere it is present. Carbon dioxide adri no necessary carbon dioxide. Then water adri, isn't it? ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ನಮಗೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಆದ್ರಿ. Yes, carbon dioxide is there and water is also there. And sunlight is also there to prepare our own food. Now prepare ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ own food prepare ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ sunlight is also present. But chlorophyll is absent in animals. That is, chlorophyll is absent in animals. समझ में आया ना बात? That's why that is chlorophyll is nothing but a shaft. That is green pigment that is absent in animals. That's why the human being or animals can't prepare or are unable to prepare their own food. Are you getting my point? Yes. Because of chlorophyll only the plants are preparing their food. In human being or animals the chlorophyll is absent. That's why human being or animals will unable to prepare their own food. Okay, ನಮಗಾದ್ರಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ವಾಟರ್ ಆದ, ಸನ್ಲೈಟ್ ಆದ, ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್. समझ में आया? yes. Yes, that is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment. Sir, one more thing. Sir, ಬರೀ green leaves ಇದ್ರೆ, only green leaves, that is green leaves means presence of chlorophyll, in it. Can you tell me, other than green leaves, whether there is a preparation of food is there? Preparation of food ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ other than green leaves? Yes, not in particularly or purti fully yellow color idag matra they will not prepare their own food, because that is dead cell or a dead leaf anta helteve. But some leaves, or you have been seeing that sir red patches irtava, little bit yellow, then orange color, little bit. Okay, in that leaves also chlorophyll is present. Okay, in that leaves also chlorophyll is present. Samajh mein raha? Yes, if chlorophyll is present, then they can prepare their own food. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲೇನ ರಸ್ತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಎಸ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ರೆಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಇದ್ದು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ yellowish, ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದು, they are also contains that is chlorophyll. If chlorophyll is present, then they can also prepare their own food. Okay, not in yellow color, purti yellowish agi dead agi purti dari mele bidirtavallri, not, they are dead leaves. Samajh mein raha? Yes. Next, sir, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಂತ ನೀರು, is it on that layer we have seen that some green patches are there. I am explaining next thing, that is on a pond ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, pond, okay, pond or stagnant water bodies, we will see that some green patches on that. ಪಾಚಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ರಿ, ಕಾಲಿಟ್ರೆ ಜಾರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, is it sir? What is it exactly? Yes, that is a algae. Have you seen that sir? ನಿಂತ ನೀರ್ನಾಗ ಸರ್ sometimes ಸಿಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಾಗ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ, is it syntax ಮ್ಯಾಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ರಿ, ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ? ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್. ಬೆಳಿತಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬೆಳೆದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದಿನ ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ನೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಂತಿದ್ವಪ್ಪ ನೀರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋರ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನೀರೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ algae. That is exactly called as algae. Algae ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ? Yes, that is simply that is also a green color. That is green in color. Algae ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ green in color. We have seen that green color ಪಾಚಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ ನೀವು ಕನ್ನಡದೊಳಗೆ. Is it that algae is green in color? Is it? If that is green color, that contains chlorophyll in it. Green pigment agantandre there is a presence of chlorophyll. Okay, if chlorophyll is present, in the presence of sunlight, they can prepare their own food. Is it like plants, how they will prepare food? No, like that only algae will also prepare their own food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ? ಎಸ್, ಅವನು ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಬೆಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತವ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್, ಬೆಳಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದೇ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ, ನಮ್ಗ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಂಗಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ ಸರ್? ಬೆಳಿಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. But you have to understand that algae are green in color because chlorophyll is present in it. If chlorophyll is present in it, they can also prepare their own food. Yes, they can also prepare their own food, and they will grow, and they release oxygen to us. समझ में आया ना? Yes. Move to the next thing, that is one more thing, that is sir, bare plants carbohydrate ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾವೆ ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ವೆದರ್ ಬರೇ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಸ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಮಗೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೇ that is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate contains carbon is there, then hydrogen, H for hydrogen is there, then oxygen is there, okay. If they want to prepare carbohydrate prepare ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ they want carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Suppose ಇದು daily ತಿನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಸರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, okay, then they want to prepare protein ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ. Then what they will do? Yes, see here, if they want protein contains, I will show you here, they contains hydrogen, carbon and oxygen, and one more thing, that is nitrogen. To prepare the carbohydrate, three things are necessary, that is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. समझ में बात. इವಾಗ सपोज ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಿರ್ಕತ್ತ ಸರ್, ಬರೇ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಿಂತಾವೆ ಸರ್, ಬರೇ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್, ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ? ಬಟ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ hydrogen is there, carbon also there, then oxygen is also there, but nitrogen illa. Then what they will do? Nitrogen is compulsory for preparation of protein. Then what they will do? Yes, I will explain you. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರಬಹುದ್ರಿ nitrogen? From where do they will get nitrogen from? That is, see here, in previous classes we have studied that is atmosphere gases. That is atmosphere gases. That is, you know that in diagram ಹಾಕಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, our atmosphere contains 78% of nitrogen. 78% of nitrogen. Okay, then 21% of oxygen. 21% of oxygen is there, and then here 0.9% of other gases are there, that means dust particles ಅಂತ ಓದಿದ್ವಿ, that is 0.9% of other gases, and again 0.4% of carbon dioxide is there. Okay, we have studied this one in previous classes. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, that is to prepare the protein, hydrogen is there, okay, ಇಲ್ಲರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ preparation of food ಬರ್ತದೆ, carbon is there, oxygen is there, but nitrogen is not there for plants. That is, in our atmosphere 78% of nitrogen is present. What is that? 78% of nitrogen. Then here carefully read, that is, but plants will not absorb the nitrogen gas directly. The plants will not absorb directly nitrogen gas through it. Okay, directly nitrogen gas ಅನ್ನು absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Okay, that's why a particular bacteria, fixed bacteria are there. I will write this one. A particular fixed bacteria are present in soil. That is, with the help of bacteria, that name is rhizobium. that is rhizobium bacteria. Where it is present? It is present in the roots, alright. It is present in the soil. Okay. It is present in the soil. What exactly the rhizobium bacteria will do means it converts nitrogen gas. It is in the gas form, isn't it? It is in the gas form. Atmosphere it will 78% of nitrogen gas. The rhizobium bacteria will convert nitrogen gas into the usable nitrogen. What is that? The rhizobium bacteria is present in soil. Is present in soil. What it exactly do means it converts nitrogen gas into the usable nitrogen. That means that will absorb. Illi absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾದ್ರಿ soil. Soil naga absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾದ್ರಿ. Okay, with the help of soil that will absorb the nitrogen, that is usable nitrogen. And with the usable nitrogen, ಇಲ್ಲಿ soil naga ಬಂತು nitrogen is here with the help of rhizobium bacteria. With the help of rhizobium bacteria, nitrogen is present in the soil. With the help of water, it is dissolved in water. What is that? It is dissolved in water, and through xylem, through xylem, it transferred to the all the parts of the body. That means all the parts of the plant. That's from that they can prepare their protein. And plants also prepare other than carbohydrate, that is protein also and vitamin also they can prepare. Okay, no sir, what exactly that is? If suppose plants want to prepare protein, they want 4 components, that is hydrogen, carbon and oxygen and nitrogen. Okay, these 3 are already present. Where see carbon is there, hydrogen is there, oxygen is there, but nitrogen is absent. For that purpose, what they will do means in our atmosphere 78% of nitrogen gas is there. Nitrogen gas is there, but plants will not absorb directly nitrogen gas. Directly ತಗೊಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ ಅವು ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿ nitrogen gas. That's why there is a bacteria, fixed bacteria in soil. That name is rhizobium bacteria. What is that? Rhizobium bacteria. With the help of rhizobium bacteria, what they will do means that will convert nitrogen gas into the usable nitrogen. Okay, usable nitrogen ಗೆ convert ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, that usable converted nitrogen is present in the soil. Soil naga absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ್ರಿ nitrogen bacteria, rhizobium bacteria absorb ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ. ಆ rhizobium bacteria nitrogen ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ it will dissolve in the water. Okay, it is dissolved in the karigi bidutadri nitrogen karigi bidutadri. With the help of that water naga dissolve agade ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ through roots ninta with the help of xylem. Why xylem? It is water pipe. Water ಒಳಗೆ minerals also there and nitrogen. Okay, avella ತಗೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ it will transfer to the all the parts of the plant. Okay, at that time they can prepare protein also and vitamins also. Okay, if you are having any doubts, you can ask me anytime. Okay, by this I will conclude today's session. If any doubts, contact me anytime and comment me anytime. Okay, thank you. Namaste. ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋಣ.